Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the network and confirming access. On the TV, open Settings and go straight to Network Advanced. Log into the router if you need static values. Once done, note Gateway, Subnet Mask, and current DNS entries. You must decide whether to keep DHCP or assign a static IP on the TV. Choose static if you want fixed DNS behavior. Make sure to copy the router admin credentials because you may change DNS on either device for consistent results. Now set a custom DNS to control resolution and speed. On the TV, navigate to Network DNS Settings and choose Manual. Enter primary DNS, then secondary. If the Net TV UI refuses manual DNS, sign into the router and set DNS for the LAN. This applies to all devices. Once the addresses are entered, save the configuration and restart the TV or just toggle Wi-Fi off and on. This ensures the new DNS is fetched by the TV and active for streaming and apps. Finish by verifying DNS works for streaming and channel lookup. Open an app or use the TV's network test to resolve a hostname. You should see successful lookups and no long delays. If content fails to load, try clearing app cache, revert to DHCP temporarily, or swap to a different public DNS like 1.1.1.1. One troubleshooting tip. If apps require location or license checks and break after DNS change, revert settings and change DNS at the router so the TV keeps expected IP behavior while using custom DNS.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.